Matthew Cappucci, what are you working on today?
Hey, good morning, guys. Metro Cooking DC is a show that'll open up this weekend at the Convention Center. Here alongside Amy Riolo, and after the break, she'll be showing us some of her amazing recipes, including pies she's preparing for the one and only Martha Stewart, who will be here at the show as well. And I gotta say, it smells good. I'm gonna be full later on today.
And a little bit of chicken fried.
The 15th annual Metro Cooking DC show kicks off this weekend. Big names in town. Martha Stewart, Carla Hall, just two that are headlining the event. Marlon Mixon, and one of the biggest names on our team, Matthew Cappucci. He happens to be live on location this morning. Hey, no, Matthew, it's your turn. Ready? Yeah, there you are. Okay. What you got yourself going on down there?
Tour. They're setting up. Well, oh my goodness, I've been eating just about everything this morning. I'm going to look like this in the news on Monday, but I got to say it's definitely worth it. Here alongside Amy Riolo, who is a chef, she's an author, she does a little bit of everything. And firstly, what are you preparing? I understand these are the pies that Martha Stewart will be using in her demos this weekend.
That's right, she's going to be demoing tomorrow, and we're preparing her upside down lemon meringue pie. It's really cool because normally the meringue is on top, right? But this one's on the bottom. This is our crust, and I'm just putting the lemon filling in, and then she's going to top it with this beautiful velvety kind of meringue made out of whipped cream and sugar, and it's going to be to die for.
That sounds incredible. So you've written 10 cookbooks.
Yes.
Take us through your career, because you're telling me a bit during the break that you were originally in fashion,
right.
Then you became a chef, although being a chef has been something you've been doing since probably age 3, age 4. It's a passion, it's an art, it's a science, and you've mastered everything.
Exactly. It's so many of those. Well, you know, I love the cultural aspect of food, and growing up in an Italian family, food was just so important to us. It was the center of everything, and it's the way that we can understand other people, you know, their history, their culture. So I was always researching with my dad at National Geographic and things like that, and now I actually lecture there. So I'm a culinary anthropologist. I specialize in the Mediterranean lifestyle. To me, baking is love made edible, so the chance to be able to collaborate with Martha Stewart and her team is amazing. Metro Cooking is wonderful.
Oh, yeah.
On Sunday, I'm going to be doing a demo right on this very stage.
Yep.
And it's going to be from this Mediterranean Lifestyle for Dummies book. I'm going to be demonstrating an Egyptian breakfast classic, which is called ful nadamis. These are fava beans. This was eaten since ancient times, believe it or not.
Wow.
Great for vegans, a lot of protein.
It looks really healthy, too. I mean, it's one of those things that smells really good. I imagine it tastes equally good. But you also make your food healthy, too.
Yes, I think that's the trick, because these are wonderful. Like in the Mediterranean diet lifestyle, you can have these on holidays. We're talking about Christmas at the Metro Cooking, right? Or special occasions, but really on a daily basis. We want to try to get most of the produce, the fruits, and the vegetables, really healthy, good quality olive oil. Those are going to help us stay fit.
Very nice. And with the cookbook, you make everything so accessible. I'm not great at cooking things. I'm trying to learn more. But you've turned this into an art of being able to make cooking accessible to anyone.
Thank you. You know, I think I was very inspired by Martha, and I think that's my goal, and it should be everybody's, because it's only so good if we can do it, but you want everybody to do it on a daily basis and to enjoy it.
Yeah.
That's my thing. I want you in the kitchen, not because you have to be, but because you're like, wow, I get to be in the kitchen and eat these great foods and smell these aromas, you know? Well, and I hope you get to taste them as well.
When I tried, I like cooking, but I definitely like eating. So what do we have here?
This is called pan di Spagna. It's an Italian sponge cake, and this dates back to the time when Italian bakers were in the Spanish courts, and they made this called bread of Spain and brought it back to Italy. They eat this usually in mornings for breakfast in Italy. It's very typical. As far as quote-unquote desserts go, not too bad. Gives you a quick hit of energy. You can have it with your cappuccino and get on to enjoy Metro Cooking or your holiday shopping or whatever you have to do. Yes, buon appetito. See,
give me a sec. I didn't time it right.
This is those mornings that we like, all about the Mediterranean. And you know, the book has so many examples of how people can enjoy that lifestyle. You don't have to go to Italy. Right here in DC, we have every bit as many sunny days as Barcelona, Spain. So we can get out, get a little bit of sunshine, enjoy our friends in the holiday season, and that's it.
Well, I gotta say, if I had one of these to start my day every day, I'd be like 15% happier in general, and I'm already living the life. They pay me to talk about weather and eat cake. So very quickly, what's your website? Then we gotta toss it back inside.
Thank you so much. It's amyriolo.com, and if you come to see me on Sunday, you have a chance to win my gift box and my book.
Cheers, guys. It's phenomenal.
Happy holidays.
Love it, love it, love it. Clearly, we can hear they are getting set up and ready to go. They'll be all set come tomorrow. Go ahead, head downtown and check it out.